I'm back in Bangkok again, and this video is gonna be about my apartment in this city because I just couldn't resist telling you about this apartment in this city. After all, is it perfect or not? Hey everyone, I'm Stana, and today I wanna show my condo in Bangkok and what's in my condo. And at the end of this video, I will tell you how much this apartment costs. Let's do it. I wanna start by saying the apartment is located on the BTS subway line. So if you don't have a bike or car and use public transportation, the BTS line is considered central. And the most important, so living on this subway line is very comfortable. My building has 38 floors, a swimming pool, a children's playground, several parks and gardens, a gym, an aerobic room, a sauna, and many working spaces. Right at the entrance, there is a well-maintained garden where you can sit and spend time outdoors. On the way to the building's entrance, there is 7-Eleven vending machine, the main office of the building where you can inquire about renting or buying apartments in this condo. There is also a post office where they register residents, take a photo, issue access passes, and grant access to common areas. As soon as we enter the building, we step into the lobby. The lobby isn't very large, but it's very beautiful and comfortable. There are plenty of sitting areas and an amazing decor with soft couches, marble tables, and stylish interior elements. Behind glass, there is a separate workspace with a large table, soft chairs, and good internet. You can come there anytime and work. The building has excellent security. You can access the elevators using a face scanner if you're registered as a resident. Inside the elevator, you use a key card, and you can only access the floor with common areas and your apartment floor where you live. On the other side of the building, there is a children's playground and a garden. It's very quiet there, not many people visit, and there is plenty of space for relaxation. There is a well-equipped playground for children, plants, a gazebo, and a beautiful lawn. You can read a book, work if you love the sweat in the heat and your computer won't overheat, relax, take a walk, listen to music, and do whatever you like here. After exploring on the amenities on the ground floor, I suggest heading up to the 8th floor, where you'll find the swimming pool, gym, work area, garden, sauna, and aerobic room. The first place in the large and spacious aerobic room. Here you'll find yoga mats and exercise balls. And there is plenty of space for dancing, yoga, or stretching. There is a large mirror and lots of room that move. Next to the aerobic room, there is a restroom. The restroom with a changing area and lockers, a toilet, a shower, a sauna. Everything is very clean and tidy. The next location is the gym, which is very beautiful. It's equipped with numerous exercise machines, has ample space, provide towels and hand sanitizer, features several treadmills, and it's often not crowded. I go to the gym almost every morning, and most of the time there are no more than 3 people. All the equipment is new and in good condition. Now let's go to the best place in this condo, to the swimming pool. In the pool area, there is also a very spacious work area. You'll find plenty of couches, chairs, and tables. You can relax or work there. There is a shower and even a lap swimming lane. The pool is not very large, but is exceptionally beautiful and wide. There are some loungers, a children's pool in another section, a picturesque city view, many plants, and a jacuzzi. Instead of steps, there is a bench with an integrated jacuzzi as you descend into the pool. It's very convenient. On the other side of this floor, there is a small garden. So I suggest we head there. The garden is small with a few places to sit, a beautiful city view, plenty of plants, and a comfortable atmosphere. I swear I've never seen anyone here, so it's the best place to be alone. Now I suggest going upstairs and taking a look at my apartment. This building is new, so the protective film is still on the doors. The apartment is not large, but it's very bright and spacious. It has new furniture and a fresh interior, very clean and beautiful. I also want to mention that the apartment's owner is a very nice and cheerful girl. The apartment has everything you need, including a kitchen, a large bed, a workspace, a washing machine, a wardrobe, storage space, a balcony, smart TV, a couch, a kitchen, and a bathroom. The apartment is located on the 21st floor with a beautiful city view. It's very cozy with ample space, good sound insulation, and it comes equipped with cleaning supplies, kitchenware, and many smart home devices. Everything for a comfortable life. There is a smart washing machine, a smart bathroom mat that dries your feet in 2 seconds when you step out of the shower, and a smart mop. The only downside is that there is no internet in the apartment, but there is very good internet in the building's lobby. Now I suggest going up to the rooftop. On the roof there is a large garden with a view of the entire city and a spacious workspace. The garden is divided into 2 parts with a workspace in between. The first zone provides a view of the downtown, offering plenty of space for relaxation, a beautiful staircase, a vast area with plants and walking zones. Everything is meticulously designed, very beautiful. On the side below there is another workspace. It's quite small, but despite that it has many couches and tables. But above there is a separate large workspace. The second part of this garden is slightly smaller, but it still provides a view of another part of this city. There are many plants, a large lawn, plenty of space for walks, and numerous relaxation spots. And now let's take a look at the Sky co-working space. It's a large workspace with a beautiful view of the entire city. There are plenty of sofas, lots of workspace, it's always quiet and you can come here to relax or work. There are many beautiful interior items, stylish furniture and details in this space. It's a truly beautiful place. So, I'm ready to tell you how much I paid for this apartment for a month. I rented this as always on Airbnb because I travel and usually rent apartments for months, and it's very convenient for me to rent apartments through Airbnb. There is always a percentage that you have to pay tax to Airbnb, and the prices are higher than if you were to search offline. But considering everything, my apartment costs $435 per month. I consider this to be a great price for such an apartment and such a beautiful building. Most importantly, this condo is located on the main subway line. Around my place there is everything you need. There are many cafes, markets, a large supermarket, 7-Eleven, and a subway station. You can find the name of the condo in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments how you like the condo. See you in the next video.